Welcome everyone, I am Vaishali and in today's video we are going to see a very small DIY which I have found very interesting and I thought I should be sharing it with you. And many a times the planters which we have with us, so they are so pretty and we are not able to get a suitable planter for them, a suitable hanger for them. And many a times the pots are quite heavy, the earthen pots, so for them this is going to be very helpful. You can hang it anywhere in the balcony, inside house as well as in your garden. And before starting the DIY, first I will like to appreciate your response and I appreciate for watching the channel and keep giving your suggestions and your comments. So let's begin with the DIY. So for this purpose we will require a square or a rectangular wooden block. You can take the plywood like I have taken and you need to get it drilled. I think you could see that I have got it drilled at 4 corners. With the help of drill, you can take help of carpenter for this purpose. The second, we will be needing a rope and we have to take the rope which will be able to get the weight of your planter. So accordingly you have to select the rope. So I have taken this rope which is quite strong and the length will be as per the height of your planter. So and we have to cut it only 2 pieces. I am not cutting it in 4 pieces. And we will require a hook. You can see here I have taken this plastic one to hold on this planter so that I can easily hang it somewhere, and the scissor to cut the rope. That's all. Now let's start the DIY. So first I will be taking the first rope and I am going to, you could see here that I am going to pass it through the holes in this way, and then in the opposite one, like this one and the opposite one I have used, and I am putting it over here in this way. Then I have taken in this way I am putting the second rope. See here, I haven't prepared very big holes here, so these are the smaller ones. Yeah, in this way I have taken out it outside, so this is it will be looking like. Now I will be putting some knots here at the lower end. So I have put knot on this lower side and I made it quite firm so that it won't loosen up. You can put some bead or some wooden, you can say the decorative items also for here for decorative purposes. Now the leftover task is just to put the hook, and here we are done. So I have put the hook here and our planter is ready to be placed. And for this purpose now I have taken this beautiful spider plant which is ready, and it is having these beautiful small you can say the smaller plants are getting ready. Spiders were coming out, so I am putting it here and it is now ready to be placed on a hanger. So isn't it easy and isn't it unique as compared to the one which we see in the market? And I think you are going to prepare it soon, and do share your response with me and keep watching the channel for more such ideas. Thank you so much.